Alright guys, we are back today. Kids are sleeping, the wife's sleeping, but I'm excited. I got a surprise. Well, not for me, but I'm excited. It's the UniFi Switch. It's awesome. As my brother would say, you don't need this, but I want it. It's my addiction. Well, I don't know if it's addiction, but I want it for my house. We're getting a new house, and I want it so that my, switches around the house can have the full 1 gig through all. So I'll have a 10 gig port, and all the other 1 gigs will have the full 1 gig. And then my servers that I'm going to be upgrading to eventually will have 10 gig, and just for future proofing. I mean, I know it's overkill, but I'm excited. I love Ubiquiti. I've become a huge fan. So here we go. And I hadn't had any problems with the router. I will be able to update video soon. I've had it only for about a month now. I want to get 1 more month, and then I'll put an update video, but it's awesome. Oh my god, here it is. I'm so excited. I know. It's a beautiful. Alright, put this over here. Oh, yes. I love the box. Oh, yes. 12 SFP Plus ports, 10 gig, 4 RJ45 ports, 10 gig, and each one of these ports is its own 10 gig. It's not shared with the controller or anything. It is beastly. Here are the number of the ports to show. White means 10 gig, baby. Gig means green, and amber means, 10 and 100. So let's get this sucker out. Oh, the box. God. There's the Ubiquiti box I'm used to. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Let's I'm being quiet because the kids are sleeping. Well, my wife's sleeping and my daughter. Oh, yes. The rack mount pieces, which I will be using. If it has, oh, here we go, the power board and the screws and the mounting holes for the rack. Okay. Oh, yes, and it has covers for the SFP Pluses too, rubber ones. Cool beans. I like it. I bought covers for these, $9, 50 of them on Amazon. Bought some covers so all the ones I'm not using and stuff will be covered. It's not a button, it's a light up thing, good. I wasn't sure, it's my first one of these. Reset, 2 fans, console connection, power, another power, air holes, switch is nice. 10 gigs, baby. 10 freaking gigs. I love it. It is beautiful. Alright guys, I'm excited. It's going in my rack. I'll show you guys my rack once it's all complete. One more set piece I need. And the cool thing with Ubiquiti is, well, there's other, routers and switches out there, but fan replacing it is easy. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Alright guys, peace out and have a rock and rollin' day. Subscribe, comment if you like. I'm excited. Hook this up. Peace out.